if appropriate. Example, বসেন বসেন। Thirdly, structure your speech. Number one, introduction. Second, main points, and third, conclusion. Keep it clear and logical. Fourthly, use body language. Use body language. Maintain eye contact, eye to eye. Use hand gesture natural, hands. Tail and confidence. 5 number, manage nervousness. Practice before presenting. Take deep breaths. And focus on the message, not the affair. 6 number, engage the audience. Ask question. What do you do? Ask questions. Number 7, if appropriate. Example, বসেন বসেন। Summarize your key message. That's all from my side. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum.